Tighten everything up. Tight core, tight lower back, tight glutes, tight quads.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Welcome to today's workout. Today, as you saw in the thumbnail probably, and in the title, we are doing a plank workout. I like doing plank workouts because they build core stability all the way around your core, and they teach you how to brace for those big compound movements that you might be doing during your other workouts. So they improve your posture, build stability, teach you how to brace, protect your lower back. So today we have basically 5 different sets of plank exercises. We're gonna do a 30-second plank hold followed by 20 repetitions of a plank exercise. We're going to do that for 5 times, and then we're gonna try to finish off with probably will be a very shaky 2-minute plank hold. Simple timer today, guys. Just go on my call. Just gonna use my phone, nice and easy. So we're gonna start off with a 30-second plank. Let me set this up, and no clock or anything. Go on my call. Let's get this one done. It'll be fun. Do the best that you can. If you can't hold the plank for whatever reason, just take a few second break. Not a big deal. You guys ready to go? This will start in about 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank hold, 30 seconds. Here we go. This is where I talk about bracing your core. You really have to stay nice and tight and get this done. So if you're squatting or benching or doing any big compound movements, they always tell you brace your core. Guess what? This is a great way to learn how to do it. You gotta keep everything nice and tight. We got 10 seconds left, and then we're moving to 20 mountain climbers. 3, 2, 1, move up and give me mountain climbers. 1, 2, nice and easy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's take a little 20-second break, maybe a 30-second break. We're moving on to set number 2. Another 30-second plank, followed by another exercise in the plank position. All right, it's like 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and give me 30 seconds. Hold it right here. Keep it right here, keep it right here. 15 seconds left, hold it. Keep everything nice and tight. You should be feeling this. Keep it right here. And I think we went a little bit over, and that's okay. Up, and then bring the knee across. 1, 2, 3, 4. No rush. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then for a second there, I thought I forgot to start my microphone. Okay, we take another break. Hey, these are all filmed in one take. We're doing 30-second plank again, and then 20 exercise plank movements. This time the knee is gonna come out to the outside. Let's get started. Somewhere so my math is easy and I don't screw up. So let's get started in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, plank, 30 seconds. Stay here nice and tight. Not this, not that, about that. Tighten up those quads, tighten up the hamstrings, the core, lower back, everything stays put. Stay here. 10 more seconds. 5 more. 3, 2, 1, and raise up. And now the elbows, the knees go to the outside. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 8, 1, and that's 10. Keep it up. Ready? 11,
12, easy. 13, control movements. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, and 20. And we'll take a little breather once again. All right, then 10 more seconds or so. 30-second plank, and then we'll do knee in and twist to the side. The other knee in and twist to the other side. Previews are up. You guys can see what I'm going to be doing. It might be a little hard to see on the preview because I'm kind of far away from the camera. All right, enough yapping. 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds. Let's go. Hold it. This workout is relatively short, so if you want to tack this to the back of another workout, I leave a couple workouts in a playlist after this is done. Check it out. Do more core, or do whatever you want to do. There's like 475 videos on this channel. You'll find something. All right, 3, 2, 1, up, and now in and twist, and 1, in, twist, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway, keep it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 1, come on, 2, and 3, and now we relax. All right, we have one more set left. Yep, one more set left before we do our 2-minute plank. So this one's gonna be 30 seconds once again, and stay on your elbows, and just gonna do a nice hip raise for 20 repetitions. Slow and controlled. All right, you guys ready to go? How much more time do you need? How about 10 more seconds? All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, plank. And hold it. Hold it. Relax. It's okay, we're almost done. Ten more seconds and then stay in the same position, all right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up, down, 1, up, down, 2, 3, don't rush this, 4, nice and slow, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, halfway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, and 5. Whew. All right. Breathe, breathe. All right, now we got a 2-minute plank hold, and that's gonna end our exercise session. That'll be a 10-minute plank workout. So we'll start at 8 minutes even, with 2 minutes to go, 10 minutes, we're done. Let's get started in 15 seconds, a little less now. 10, remember, 2 minutes. Best effort, nice and tight, everything. We're gonna get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Hope I can make it. If I don't, you know what? It's okay. Alright, just relax into it and just hold it. If it's shaking like jello, it's alright. I plan to be shaking and I'm going to do the best that I can. We have a little over 90 seconds left. Just keep it right here. Don't slouch down like this. Keep everything tight. Don't let your knees buckle. Keep them tight. Stay right here, shake it out with me. My quads are already starting to shake, and that's quite all right. Tighten everything up. Tight core, tight lower back, tight glutes, tight quads. Locking that scapula right here, and just hold it. Don't drop anything. 1 minute left. We got this. No clock today, on my call. Stay right here. Keep it tight. 45 seconds left, that's what I meant to say. Keep it right here. Definitely shaky. That's okay, we got this. Shaking is okay. I'm shaky, hopefully you're not. If you are, that's all right too. If you're not, great. You know what, when I'm done, keep on holding until you plop down to the ground. I'm not gonna make it much past 2 minutes, I'm gonna just call it a 2. We got 20 seconds left, stay right here. Tighten everything up, come on. Stay right here, keep it up, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Let me stop this clock. 10 minutes and 2 seconds, we are done. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday. This is workout number, I actually will look this number up. Look this number up. God, I can't speak, I'm tired. And post it on the bottom so you guys know how many workouts that we've done so far on this channel. We have not missed an upload in a Monday or a Thursday for 4.5 years running now. So thanks for joining me today. I'll see you guys during the next workout.